Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Today I cooked some ground chicken with carrots on it. Put some onion, garlic, and red pepper. Soy sauce a little bit, pork onion, and also salt and pepper. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Cook some ground chicken, guys. Vegetables. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Here we go. Ground chicken with carrots and some garlic, onions, and red pepper and green pepper. There we go. And soy sauce. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Here we go. Just simple dish. Okay guys, see you in my next vlog.